Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going through my skincare. I have a huge bin down in front of me for reference, and this is not even all of it. There's stuff on the desk in front of me of all the things that I need to use up, get rid of, pass on. There's a lot of stuff here, and today there's like a fuzz. And today we're going to be going through all of this to make room for new stuff, as well as just pass on products that are not getting use from me anymore, or get rid of products that shouldn't be going on anybody's face. Before we begin, I just want to remind you to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. I'd love to have you back here on the channel for future videos. Let me know in the comment section down below, do you use any of these products? What is your go-to moisturizer? As a lady of the dry variety, I am always in search for a new moisturizer. But without further ado, let's begin. So right off the bat, I know I'm going to get rid of these two Freeman masks. This is the cooling gel mask. It's the watermelon and aloe one, which I did love. And this is the sweet tea and lemon peel off mask. Now, I think these are good. They're not spectacular skincare by any means. I loved the cooling gel mask. I just have evolved a little bit beyond these, and I have better masks that I prefer. So I definitely think that these are going to be passed on to my younger sisters. They'll get plenty of use out of these, and they're kind of not harsh, you know, in my opinion. They were fine on my skin, especially this green one here. So I'm going to pass these along to my sisters and my family. Got these both from Five Below for $5, I think. So not really missing out on a big chunk of change here, but I definitely want to rehouse these because they're still perfectly fine to use. Something I'm definitely going to get rid of is this Formula 10.0.6 Pores Be Pure Skin Clarifying Mud Mask. It looks like this. My friend Annalise gave this to me years ago, like actual years ago, and I don't think I ever used it. And it's crusty in there. And it was already open when she gave it to me. She didn't like it. So I think I'm just going to toss this. Shouldn't pass this along to anybody. Also being tossed is this Niakio Maracuja and Vitamin Oil. I just don't know when or where I got this from, so I don't want to pass it along to someone if it's super old. I've never used it. It's still really full in there, but just to not give anybody chemical burns, I'm just going to throw this away. I have no idea when I got it. Then I do have my everyday skincare, and this is the Elemis Superfood. I love this. It's the hydration juice. Love this. Love this. I use it very sparingly because I don't know how much it costs. Haven't looked into it, but it is so amazing on my skin. Definitely recommend, and definitely keeping this. It is the product I'm trying to work through, so that will be staying in my collection. Something that's also staying is the e.l.f. Hello Hydration Face Cream. I also love this. I don't know if you can tell, but there's about 2 more uses in this before I did use it up completely, and I would repurchase again once I get rid of all this and see what I need. But this is a great affordable face moisturizer, and I had nothing but good things to say about this. Something new but I do love is the Confidence in an Eye Cream by IT Cosmetics. I've used a bunch of it since I've gotten it, but this is my eye cream right now that I go to every day. It brightens, repairs, and transforms. It claims the packaging. I definitely think that it moisturizes very nicely under my eyes. I do have difficult under eyes, so I don't see a lot of brightening, but I do have them feel very hydrated after using this. So I'm going to be keeping this as it's my go-to eye cream at the moment. Another eye cream that I will not be getting rid of because I love is the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. I've made a dent in this, and I like this a lot. Definitely would recommend, and I'm not going to be getting rid of. And here's a little Origin Spot Remover. There's just barely anything left in here, but you need such a little amount that it's lasted me so long. So I'm going to continue to keep this and use this because it really does help my little breakouts that I might get. So would recommend a full size of this as well. I'll probably be picking that up because this changes my life when I have pimples. Here are 2 things that, again, I have no idea when I got them, but it's a Detox System Replenishing Face Moisturizer and Mask. They are both completely unopened, so I'm going to pass them along to my mom. I think she would get some use out of them. All right, I'm going to be getting rid of this Avant Shea Butter Rice Bran Panthenol Polydecine 8-hour sleeping renewal mask. I don't know when I got this. Sometimes family members just kind of give me stuff, and I love that. That's great. But I just never got around to using this, and I have no idea what it really is. And I have no idea when I got it. So I don't really want to be putting products like that on my face. So I'm going to be getting rid of this because I don't know when or where, and I don't want to damage anybody else's skin. So I'm going to be getting rid of this. Next, I have these two Soap and Glory vitamin C facial washes. I like to travel with these, so I'm going to be keeping these. It's just a scrubby face wash that I do like, and I like vitamin C. So this will be staying with me. I got them from Target, I believe. They have like a little mini section in Target. I don't know if you know that, but they always have like buy 3, get 2, 50% off or something. And that's where I got these, and I do like them, and they're perfect for travel. So I will be keeping these. I have this Mario Badescu vitamin C serum. I don't know. I'm going to keep because it's a really nice oil, but I don't know when I'm supposed to use this. Like, leave me in the comments down below, like, your recommendations on vitamin C. But I'm going to keep this and see what it is. I don't know. I have to do more research into this. This is something that potentially could go if I realize vitamin C is not perfect for me. I've heard mixed things, but this is a maybe. So keep you posted on that. Here's an itty bitty makeup remover by Pharmacy. It's like their balm. So I have just a little bit of that left. I also have this full-sized cherry one that I have not used yet, which I'm so excited. Sorry. Gotta falling out here, which I'm so excited to use. I love this makeup removing balm. And I have another one right here, which is the green one, just a bigger size. So I'm going to make a point to use these up instead of makeup cloths, because I have 3 full makeup balms here that just need to be used. So these will be staying with a very, very big effort to use up. Then I have this Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask. I love this. I found this at TJ Maxx. I love honey. I love eating honey. I love honey in my tea. I love the smell. And this smells just like honey. And this will be staying. It's like a really dark, murky mask. It kind of has a shimmer to it. It's really interesting on the face. But I love my skin after wearing this. So I'll definitely be keeping this with an effort to use this as well, because this is a great mask. Something I can get rid of is this e.l.f. Beauty Shield serum. There's very little left in here, but it always had this like weird smell to me, and I got it from TJ Maxx, so I don't know if it was bad or if it just kind of smells funky in general. But I used this for a while, didn't see much of anything happening, and it's just old at this point, so I'm gonna get rid of this and hopefully replace it with that Mario Badescu vitamin C serum if vitamin C is something I want on my skin. But this guy can just hit the hay. Something else that can go is this e.l.f. toner balm. Also smelled really funky. Had like a weird texture. I don't know. Rubbing this on my face, it left a weird film. Don't like this. Don't recommend this. Getting rid of this. And it was the e.l.f. Pore Toner Balm. Next, I have this skincare purifying mask with red clay from First Aid Beauty. And I do also really, really love this. It is a peel off mask, which are not my favorite, but I love the outcome after using this. My face feels baby soft, so I'm gonna keep this. I already have like half of it gone. I found this also at TJ Maxx, but I would recommend this if you can find this at your local TJ Maxx. Or honestly, I would recommend paying full price for this because I love my skin afterwards. So I do really like this. This will be staying and being used, and also has my recommendation. I had lots of e.l.f. skincare, it looks like, but this is the Hydrating Essence Water, which in general is just weird. It's like thick, gooey water. I don't know if you can see that, but it did almost nothing for my skin, and I used a lot of it. So also found this at TJ Maxx. I think it's just kind of a gimmick. It's water. It's hydrating water. Water hydrates. You know, like, I don't know, something about this looks cool. It looked nice, but it definitely can go to make way for some better products. Here is the BH Studio Pro Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. There's not much left. I'm going to just keep this and use it. It has like an oil at the bottom. That's what that blue is. So I don't really love it. It does make me really oily on my face. it's an oil-based remover, so that makes sense. But I definitely think that I want to just kind of bang this out, get rid of this, and not purchase it again. Here is going to be my new cleanser. I just finished up another shower cleanser that you'll see in an upcoming empties video, but this is my Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Cleanser. I got it for $16.99 from TJ Maxx, so this is definitely staying. It's going to be being used. I don't really have an opinion on it yet, but this is really exciting, and it's going to be transitioned into my shower tonight. I feel so bad. I'm shitting on e.l.f. skincare, but this is the hydrating bubble mask. This burned my eyes so bad. I don't like this little thing here, like it doesn't really come out ever. I had to, like, I don't know, and it tickled. The bubble mask like phase was definitely like a fad. I don't think it needs to be a thing anymore. It kind of tickled the whole time it was on my face, and you can't really touch it. So definitely gonna just get rid of this. I might give this to my younger sister. They might get a kick out of it, but definitely with a warning, like, don't get that near your eyes. It really hurts. So I'm gonna be passing this along, but definitely getting it out of my personal collection. Next, I got this from Marshalls. This is the Dr. Wellness Super Clean Pores Deep Pore Cleanser with White Tea Tree. I'm actually gonna keep this. It's like a nice skin refresher. So an example of when I would use this is when I'm done filming today. I'm going to take this off, this whole makeup, but I'm not going to jump in the shower right away. I'm going to do that later. So in between my makeup getting removed and my full routine in the shower later, this is like going to keep my skin fresh for the day. So I'm going to keep this. I do actually like it. And it was only like $6, maybe even less than that, actually. $2.99 from Marshalls, so I'm gonna keep this. I do actually like this. Another little mask that I do love is this First Aid Beauty Mask. I don't have much left at all, but this is a super spicy and like smell wise. I think it's like turmeric in there. Oh, it smells really good. I kind of like it. It smells like, I don't know, like a hot toddy. But it's a little gel mask. I have just a little bit left. I'm going to keep this. I love this. I found this at TJ Maxx. Would recommend. It kind of is just cooling on the skin, and that kind of heats up a little bit, like not super aggressively, but just a little. It's probably the spices in there, and I do actually really like this. So I'm going to keep that. It's almost done. All right, next, this is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I got a little trial size for $7.99 from TJ Maxx, which I love for skincare, affordable stuff. And this is the Intense Hydration. I used quite a bit of it, but I only like this when I'm super dry. I do already have dry skin, but I feel like this kind of leaves a residue that I do not like. So I only use it when my skin like is dying for it, which is why there's still a lot left, but has like no scent at all. So if you're sensitive to scents, this is really going to be good for you. And it's safe for sensitive skin. It says it right on there. I do like it. It does the job. I just don't like the feeling it leaves on my skin, so I use it very sparingly when my skin is like begging for it, but I'll be keeping it. I do like it. Just a couple more things here. There's such a little bit left in this. I just need to use it up. It's the Needles No More Baggage Dr. Brandt Eye Depuffing Gel. It's literally like this much left. Think I'm gonna put this in my everyday skincare bin to just kind of use it up, get it out, because I do really like it. I got this in a BoxyCharm, and I actually love this a lot. It comes out kind of orange, and in my head I think that like I connect that to like a color corrector, so I'm like, oh, it's gonna fix my dark circles. It doesn't. Fun fact, nothing ever does, but I do really like it. So I'm going to put this in my everyday bin so I can use this up, but I like this an actual lot. I don't know what this is. I got this also in a BoxyCharm. It says it's a lip line corrector. It's a lip serum by QMS Beauty. I just don't know. Do I have something specifically for my lips? Like, I just use the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Like, I don't really need a serum for it. Then I'm like, well, do I? Because they make it. So freeze. I'm like talking myself into keeping it when I should just get rid of it and pass it along. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if my mom wants this, or any of my sisters, or my roommate, somebody anywhere. I'll see if they want this. I haven't used it since I got it, which is a clear sign that I do not need it. So passing this on. Then I got this Cosmetics with an X charcoal mask. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I believe it's brand new, unopened. I'm going to pass this along as well. It's unopened, so that's great to give to friends, especially if it's unopened. So gonna be passing this one along. Haven't used it, means I don't need it. And finally, we have the 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. Listen, I don't give eye stuff up almost ever because of my difficult under eye, so I'm going to be keeping this. I haven't even really used it, but I'm going to replace the Needles No More with this as soon as I'm done. So this will be staying in my collection. Now, because I have so much more room in my skincare basket, I'm going to be putting some new things in here. You saw me get all this stuff during the 21 Days of Beauty. The Clinique Moisture Balm. Haven't even been able to use it because it's been in storage. Adding that bad boy right in here. As well as the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Balm. Hasn't even been used yet. Got this in a BoxyCharm. Moving this right into the new bin. The Origins Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer into the bin. And the Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash from Origins can also come right into the bin. That's not all, people. We have all of this to add as well. All of this has just been in storage since I got it in the 21 Days of Beauty. So now I can finally get this in my skincare bin and begin using it. Now that's finally in my skincare basket and I can remember that I have it and I can actually use it. So that's super exciting. It feels really good to get rid of some stuff, let me tell you. We got rid of 12 items today, which is amazing. Love that for me. Love that for my collection. And I'm so excited to give the good things to my family members and friends. They're going to get great uses out of it. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'd love to have you back here on the channel, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stick around. We have some more great content coming up for the end of the year to round it all out and start 2021 fresh and new. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.